Time Tuesday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut, central, eastern and western Massachusetts, and northern and southern Rhode Island. When, from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts include travel will be very difficult Monday night. The hazardous conditions will impact the Tuesday morning commute. Rising temperatures and lighter snow will result in road conditions slowly improving Tuesday afternoon. Snow overspreads Connecticut and western central Massachusetts between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., then 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. across Rhode Island. The heaviest snow and lowest visibility occurs from late Monday evening into the overnight. Snow continues to accumulate Tuesday, but at a lighter intensity. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Areas affected include portions of eastern, northeastern and southeastern Massachusetts. When, the snow should develop between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Tuesday morning. Snow continues on Tuesday impacting the morning commute. Snow will diminish in intensity Tuesday afternoon and may even mix with or change to rain near the coast. In addition, temps rising above freezing will likely limit the impact for the Tuesday afternoon commute. Impacts include travel will be very difficult late Monday night. The Tuesday morning commute is our biggest concern. Here are the 8 a.m. observations for the Boston metropolitan area.